I'm Mehak Lalwani, born and raised in Jodhpur. So fast forward to almost 3 years now, this place feels more like my second home. And today I've failed 100 times, but also नहीं रुको वापस बोलते हैं. क्या इतना सही है बस? I'm Mehak Lalwani, born and raised in Jodhpur, a small town in Rajasthan where people still think that we are just desert folks, but guess what the spoiler is? We have Wi-Fi and know a thing or two about digital marketing. And so I did my schooling and college here, and almost 3 years ago, I stepped into the world of digital marketing by joining MediaGar. Back then, I had just a little pinch of knowledge about ads, insights, and metrics, and my goal was to move beyond what I had studied and actually understand how the industry works. Honestly, low-key terrifying. I was stepping into a completely new industry with a very basic internship experience and zero clue about what the depths of digital marketing are. And the first few weeks here were spent mostly trying to understand dashboards, nodding like I totally got what ROS means, and secretly Googling terms later. But the work culture here is so welcoming that it didn't take long for me to settle in, and the friendly environment, the team, and the hands on learning approach made things way more easier than I had thought. So, fast forward to almost 3 years now, this place feels more like my second home, but with deadlines, of course. And you know what the most amazing part is that MediaGar has not just pushed me out of my comfort zone, but it has thrown me way beyond that, and in the best way possible. And the funny thing is that we come from a very small town, but while people assume that Jodhpur is just forts and sand dunes, our clients trust us without those outdated notions. And we have worked with brands across industries, proving that creativity and strategy don't just need a metro city or a pin code to be effective. So I walked in thinking that I would just handle social media and content, but today I lead a team, manage clients from different industries, I have organized multiple events, and even ticked off an international work trip. Something that once felt like just a far-fetched dream and something that happened only in movies. And being a team lead means juggling multiple things, brainstorming campaigns, handling client calls, figuring why an ad isn't spending, and making sure that the team is aligned. But having an incredible supportive team makes all of it so much easier. Oh, in many ways, I never imagined. The Mehak who joined here and stepped in for the first time was very camera shy, overthinking everything, and had zero podcast experience. But today, I'm very proud to say that I have hosted multiple podcasts, made my fair share of mistakes, failed 100 times, but also celebrated wins that once felt impossible. So yeah, 3 years in, still there, still figuring out things and still loving every bit of it.